Frog? Is it a frog, Tia? Is it a frog?
No.
No, it's not a frog. What is it?
Rabbit.
Is it a rabbit, Tia?
Yes.
Yes, good job. Good job, Tia. Okay, come back, come back. Yeah, good. Okay, good, Ariana. Next. Yeah, you're flying. What is it?
Fly.
Is it a bird? Okay, it is a bird. It's a special type of a bird. We sang about it. It's a
Pelican.
pelican. Is it a pelican, Ariana? Yes, it is. Okay, good. Good, Ariana. Good job. Okay, Luca?
Is it a dog?
Is it a dog, Luca?
Dog?
Yes, it's a dog. Good job, Luca. Good job. Okay, come on, Luca. Yeah? You have to be more specific. Is
it a butterfly?
it a butterfly? Good job. Well done. Okay, Giga. Anaya?
Is it a dog? Yes.
Is it a dog? Good job. Good job. Okay, and Moita. Last one. Alright, what do you think it is?
Horse?
Is it a horse, Moita?
Yes.
Yes, it's a horse. Good job. Good job, everybody. Okay. Na to je